Hey guys, it's Randy with Hanley Digital Consulting. I spoke with you the other day about a quick video on how to help bring more customers to your business with a better online presence. And in this video, there's going to be some really cool tips, and I just wanted you to keep in mind, even if you're not interested in my services, I'd really like to get your feedback. So I'm looking at your website, and I noticed a couple things that we can work on to help bring more traffic to your website, obviously more revenue to your business. So there's three ways that we can do this. It's with content, backlinks, and citations. So content is referring to as words and images, and it's more information for customers. We want around 1,500 to 2,000 words minimum on your homepage, and helps gives us higher search places to put higher search keywords, and it helps take away all the guesswork for Google. And Google likes images, so the more images, and when you're saving your pictures, you need to name it with the right keywords. So, some of these keywords that we have bolded and highlighted, we want to make sure it's home remodeling and the area that we work in. And this is going to help us be found when people search it. And we also want to, we can go up here and we can check out some of your keywords. So, for instance, home remodeling Dallas, it's got a volume of 200. We want to make that a keyword on our homepage that's bolded and highlighted. Remodeling Dallas, it's got a volume of 90. Dallas remodeling, a volume of 70. Home renovation Dallas, 60. And kitchen remodel right here has got a volume of 60. And University Park, Texas, home remodeling contractors in Dallas. Here's another one. So we really want to go through here and find some of those keywords that have to do with Dallas renovations. And there's another one. Attic renovation, home remodeling contractors in Dallas, Texas, and so forth. So as long as it's got the location in front of or behind it, that's what we're looking for. And we want to put that in our content. And we also want to save those pictures on our website with those keywords. So, we want to make sure that this picture is saved as, home remodeling Dallas, and so forth. And that's going to help us get found. Google's going to recognize it's on a picture, and this picture might even pull up under images for that keyword search. So that's really going to help you guys get found a lot easier. So the second way is with referring domains and backlinks, and it's basically anywhere one website refers to another website, and Google looks at this to see if the website is trustworthy. So the more trust Google has, the higher it's going to rank your website. So backlinks come from referring domains, and so if that page has a higher rating and it's ranked, that referring domain will transfer that authority to your website. So it's super important to get these backlinks, and it will add about an extra 20 to 30% click rate from the organic search results. So what we can do is I can come back to this tool and I can pull up your backlinks, and we can make sure that all these backlinks are do follows. We want to make sure that they're transferring that authority to our website, and that's going to help us get ranked a lot faster. And we also want to make sure that these backlinks have something to do with what kind of services we provide. So I'm looking at most of these, and they have stuff to do with remodeling and stuff like that. So that's good. But a lot of these, I'm not sure what this one goes to, but kitchen remodelers. So we want to make sure that we have, we're going out and get guest posts and stuff like that, and that's going to transfer a lot of authority to our website. It's going to help us rank a lot faster. So what we can do is we can go check out your competitors, see what they got, and see how many we need to get, and that's how we'll beat your competition. And the third way is with citations, and it's anywhere your business name and number appear in registries like Yelp and Yellow Pages. So the more we can get, the greater chance you have of getting ranked in the top 3 of a Google Map Pack or the GMP. And this right here is a GMB, and we want to make sure that we're right here in the top 3 because people are lazy these days. If they're looking for something, they're normally on their phone, and they're going to click on the first thing that pops up, and this is normally where they're going to go for. And this is where about 70% of all your views, your clicks, and your calls are going to come from. They're going to come from right here from this your GMB. And so with citations, that's how you get it ranked up here, and that's going to help you guys get a lot more calls and a lot more business coming to you. So with that being said, I hope these tips helped you guys. If you need any help with anything else, just give me a call, shoot me an email, and I'd love to sit down with you guys and see if we can help your business grow, bring in some more revenue, get your website ranked, get some more calls coming through the doors. And with that being said, I appreciate you watching this video, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you.